Let's propagate pothos in a random Wendy's cup. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching this video in advance. My name is Khara. I plant plants on my balcony. I am 20-something years old. With that being said, let's dive right into this video. On today's episode, I will be propagating pothos. Pothos is a plant that is beautiful, full of life, and it helps with respiration, I believe. I got me a piece from a friend, and I would like to show you how to cut it in order to propagate it prior to putting in the dirt and planting it. Here's all that you'll need. First, you're going to need shears, garden scissors, you'll need something to cut with. Next, you're going to need a spray bottle. It could be a spray bottle with water or a spray bottle with isopropyl alcohol in order to sanitize your shears. Next, you are going to need a cup full of water. That's where you're going to add your cutlings. And lastly, you are going to need a piece of the plant that you are going to propagate. Let's begin. Everything that I'm going to use: spray bottle, shear, like so. Next, this is your pothos, a variation of that. So we're cutting here, and that's a cut length. Then here and here, another one. Each of these have the capacity of becoming its own plant, and this is why you cut this way. Keep in mind, this is a root. See? This is a root. Imagine the plant being this way. Oh, dropped it. Careful not to cut the leaf. Feel free to cut at a 45-degree angle if you wish. And you should have something like this. These are all your cutlings. You grab your cup of water. Hopefully fill it up to the top. What I did, I grabbed an old Wendy's cup, added some water, and I cut the top like so. Okay? My cutlings are going to go in there, add more water to fill it to the brim, all the way up. And lastly, they go right in there. Soon, you will start to see some roots forming. And when it does, you're able to transplant them. Feel free to open up the lid as wide as you need. And you're done. Quick recap. You have your pothos, your shears, your spray, and your cup full of water. Then you cut them on the opposites of where they meet. You do just like that. You put it in water, and then you have your pothos propagation. So, I wish you the best in your gardening journey, and feel free to ask any questions below. Thank you for watching. My name is Khara. Like, comment, subscribe, and share if you'd like. I look forward to seeing you again. That's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Happy planting.